For entering LPAC meeting decisions in Chancery and then printing the LPAC end-of-year meeting information form, you're going to follow the following procedures. You're going to first search the student that needs to be updated inside Chancery. You will then look at the tree that's on the left side and go and find LEP Immigration and then LPAC. Once you have this information up, you're going to actually go into the action step, which is at the top, and you'll scroll down till it says Add LPAC Meeting Information. After you click on that, a new record will be displayed, and you will enter information for students who did not meet the ELL exit criteria. To do this, you'll actually enter the LPAC date, your campus, the grade level, the reason for review will be end of the year, the status placement, which is the coding, the ESL level that will be for the next school year for the student, and the parent permission date. The parent permission date will be the same that was on the previous time that you had an LPAC for the student, which you can be found on the previous screen of LPAC information. You will also place the parent permission code. You will then hit apply, and that'll create your record. Now, if a student did meet ELL exit criteria, you're going to have some of the same steps, but a few that are different. It's important to realize that you do not add any information into the Chancery LPAC information panel for the LEP status until a decision has been made. So you will not enter information for pending students until you have made a complete decision and changed them to M1 or a different status. If they're going to be changed to M1, and this same procedure also works for your monitor students that'll be going from M1 to M2 or M2 to M3. You're going to enter the LPAC date, campus, grade level, reason for review is also end of the year. If they're going to be an M1, you put M1 for the LEP status placement, or an M2 or an M3. You do not enter an ESL level for a monitor student. You will also not enter the parent permission code. You're going to enter the program exit date, and you're going to enter the exit reason. Which criteria did they meet in order to be exited? After you're done entering your students' information into Chancery, at the top of the LPAC meeting information, you'll see a print screen section. You will print that document, which will have all the data for all their LPACs and testing information that's currently available. You'll get a form that's called the LPAC meeting information. You will make sure that your administrator, the LPAC administrator, signs this document for all students. It's not necessary for the LPAC to meet again to sign for every student. You'll also make sure that your information has been saved as an additional entry, and then that will end your end of the year for the student.